In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email to multiple people in Zoho. We're going to use a built-in feature in Zoho People called announcements. This is one of the quickest and most reliable ways to send a message out to a large group, like an entire department or everyone in a particular location, without having to manage long email lists or groups yourself. First, make sure you're logged into Zoho People and you're on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Organization. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Zoho keeps tools related to your company structure, employees, and broad communications. Once you're in the Organization section, find and select Announcements. This is the feature designed for sending information that needs to reach many people at once. When the Announcements page opens, look for the button or link that says Add, usually marked with a plus sign. Click on Add to start creating a new announcement. You'll now see a form where you can compose your message. At the top, type in a clear subject line. Think of this just like the subject of a regular email. Keep it short but descriptive so people know what the message is about at a glance. Below that, enter the main content of your announcement. This is where you can explain what's happening, share updates, give instructions, or provide any necessary links or dates. Take a moment to proofread what you've written, since this will be going out to multiple people at once. Next, you'll choose who should receive this announcement. Scroll down until you see the section called Publish Settings. Here, Zoho lets you narrow down your audience so you're not emailing the entire organization if you don't need to. You can target specific locations or departments. For example, if your message only applies to one office or one team, select that location or department from the available options. To make sure the message is actually emailed to the people you've targeted, look for the option that says Notify All Employees and check that box. This tells Zoho not just to post the announcement inside the system, but also to send it out as an email to everyone in that selection. Once everything looks good and you've confirmed your audience and message, click Publish. Zoho will then trigger the email and send your announcement to all the employees you selected.